How to turn on or turn off email notifications on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off email notifications on Quora app, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Quora. This is the home page. As you can see, this is the feed. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, and now go down and click on the settings option. Now it will take you to this page. Choose email and notifications, and now click on email. And as you can see now right here, you can manage your email notifications easy and fast just by clicking on the one that you want and turn on, turn off anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.